He just paused it.
Oh, can you show me jumping on? Jumped higher.
Oh, my back. Now let's go back up and do some crazy things. Huh?
Oh, yeah.
I like that magical thing.
What magical thing?
Like going up and like pausing it and going up, and it's awesome. Oh, let's grab something in the garage. Hi, Jake. Tyler said that he may have broke his ankle and back and everything.
I broke the donkey.
What are you gonna do now? Start fixing it?
What?
Try selling it? Trading it?
So I put it on Craigslist for 22, and some guy wants to trade me next 10. And he's coming down tomorrow.
Okay, let's go.
And then I told him everything.
Oh.
What should her name be? Should her name be,
Laura.
yeah.
I don't know. I do it off the top of my head. Actually, no, Alana.
Okay. Are you gonna be in the shade to the front?
Which is actually Shirley, but... And that's her real name, but we just want to call her by that because we don't want her to have a fake name.
We could call her Shara.
Wait, is it paused?
Yes.
No, let's call her Shara.
Let's call her Shara.
Oh, she'll think they don't have anything.
No, I'm just gonna call her Shara.
I'm gonna call her Shirley.
I think she might be crying.
Yeah. This is openable. So what I always do, you guys. Yeah. Shall dip in my phone. Well, I guess she's not answering, so she may not be able to play. So she's not answering. So pretty dirty.
Paused it. Huh? No, they don't want to see a boring trip. Do they? No. It's good paused. That's interesting.
That's interesting. Dad! I'm thirsty. Ha ha ha.
Hopefully, could get Lorelai. No, Lorelai's not here. Of course.
Wait, is that around?
Huh?
That around?
No.
Going back to the club.
I'm gonna watch that.